Hi children, good afternoon everybody. Let us continue our ICT class. Last day we studied which chapter children? 7th chapter, presentation. Up to providing interaction we studied, isn't it children? Where we gave the interaction, here we gave the interaction in slideshow. Starting from current slide only I am giving. You see this when I am clicking this, you got the what children? You got the video of global warming, isn't it children? Now I avoid that children. Let us continue. Okay. Look here children. The next what we want to study is that in figure 7.4 interaction window, you see that last class. Now in that itself we want to see, I am giving here, look here, I am simply selecting this I selected this one of the symbol refrigerator figure I simply said, okay, selected. After that for clicking only children, after that what I need, I want to take you know that format interaction. First we need to select, otherwise interaction will not get it. Then interaction, look here children, no action is the first one that is given in the textbook table 7.1. then the next one is go previous slide. I select that now, this refrigerator, picture of refrigerator, and give go previous slide. We need previous slides there children. Okay, go previous slide, I am clicking on OK. Look here what is happening, slideshow, start from current slide, I am clicking here. What is happened, that went to the next slide, but one error here children. I am taking, okay. For interaction, select first any of the slide, isn't it? Sorry, any of the image or text or anything. After that what we need to give there, which interaction we need to give for that. Look here children, some error is coming children. Children, look here, I am selecting this one. After that what we need to give format interaction. From there go to previous slide. Okay, yes, that is done children. After the save, look here, then slideshow, start from current slide. Do you see when a hand is changed? Look here, the mouse pointer is changed. Click here. Then we went to the previous slide, isn't it? Click there children. Okay, it is slideshow. Let us exit from there. Then which is the next action children? I am going to select this picture and what we need, format interaction. Then next slide, previous slide, first slide, all that, go to last slide, all that. In that way you can write. Then go to the page or object, select it. Then which slide, which page we can give, slide or object, that we want to find. Okay, in any of the slide or any of the object we can give. Here I said then slide 1. Okay, slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, etc. you can give here children. Slide 1 I am giving, go to the target slide 1. Click on OK. Look here children, from slideshow Is it changed? Go to the page or object slider. Okay, slideshow. Start from another slider. Look here. Okay, what has happened? That went to the first slide. Is it, children? Do you understand now? These are the actions. In this way you can decide anything, children. Not for this slider or any other slider, etc. You can click there, children. Is it clear now? You can, this way you can use the action at mouse click in the time of interaction you can give. Is it clear? Exit presentation. For exiting presentation, go to the document we showed, go to page or object, all that you study. Is it clear? Okay, want to write the table 7.1 also. Okay, next we want to study activity 7.5, that is children's hyperlinking. Hyperlinking I will show you after connecting the internet. Here now we have no internet connection. After connecting this system to the internet, I will show you that. Next one is inserting table. Let us see how we can inserting table. Select the slide in which you want to insert a table, then click a table and insert menu. Here we have no slides, therefore I am inserting a new slide. Do you see now? I prepared a new slide, and we need the layout for inserting the table. Okay, this is for inserting the table. Insert a chart, insert a table, insert a chart, insert a video. Okay, look here. Here also you can insert a chart. Here also insert a table or audio or video. Then select the slide which you want to insert the slide. Then click the table insert in the insert menu. Otherwise, how we can? We will click here. Okay, insert a table. I am cancelling that insert table. Is it clear, children? Both of the way you can add. Anyway, no problem. Okay, 5 columns and 2 rows are given here. I am giving 3 columns and 5 rows. Okay, click on OK. Do you see now? That is here you can see. That after that we can insert a data here, children. We can add a data for that table. Okay, in that I am simply writing this is the global warming slide. Therefore, let us give simply the names of some places, and we studied that temperature calculation is in data. I am taking that. Look here, from in my folder I saved that temperature .ods. Look here, I am simply copying this data to 3 data only, that minimum, maximum, and then okay, that come in the same cell itself. Therefore 39. All that data in same data here. Let us undo. Okay, 39. We need in Agra 39, isn't it, children? 39 here 22. Okay, it's 22. We don't have that. Okay, next what is the cell name? And Allahabad 3928. Allahabad 3928. I am copying this. After that Allahabad 39 here 28. Isn't it, children? Then Amritsar, copying how much children? Sir, 3460. Okay, 3460 into 60. Okay, next please. Bhopal, 3822. Remember that. 3822. Let us give okay. What is the temperature of that place, children? 3590. 35. So we click in the cell 35 and the minimum is 90. Look here, children. You prepare the table of that one. After that we want to insert chart. Okay, insert chart, then and window, insert chart, window will open. Look here, I am clicking here, insert chart. Insert chart. Here we have a data point 1, 2, 3, etc. given here. Got here, children. Yes, here now data we can't see. Instead of that you can double click and change area, transparency, borders, etc. you can change here, children. Okay, these colors you can change from there. Do you understand? Children, you see here, this is the table what we prepared. This is the chart which we prepared, but that is not the data of this table. This is not the chart of this table. Let us see how we can prepare this. You select the chart and not that way. I am deleting that chart. Then we will get a data table here. Okay, look here. In this data table, we need to type this. Then we will get the data of the chart of this data. Look up here. I am going to give in row 1 Allahabad. Okay. In here we need a $39. After that y value, another y value is 28. This one don't want. Delete. Next look here, children, that is changing. What is this name? Allahabad is there, you can see. Amritsar. Amritsar. Then one is there, 34 and 60. 34. Then 60. Okay. Next, which place, children? Bhopal. Bhopal. How much? 38, 22. 38 and then 22. We don't want this value, children. We need to want this also. Delete. Okay. The fourth row. Chandigarh. Chandigarh. 35 and 90. This will delete. Then after that, after giving the data, click on OK, children. Do you see now? According to this table, we prepared the chart. Okay, this chart is according to this table, children. Is it clear now, children? Okay, you can see the chart and its table here. Inserting chart and inserting table we finished, children. Okay. Children, our next activity is adding another presentation files to our presentation. Okay. How we can add another presentation file to the presentation. Okay. That is activity 7.8. Look here, children. Here you have a presentation named presentation 2. Okay, this is the presentation. It has 4 slides. Okay. Then the next presentation I prepared for you is solutions. Okay, solutions. Simply I prepared this. This have 3 slides. Okay. Next, what we want to take a presentation to. In this I need to add the slides of solution. Look here, I am clicked here the 4th slide. This is the 4th slide. Is it clear, children? Next, what I said in your textbook, we need to click insert slide from file. Insert slide from file from slide menu. Okay, let us see. Insert slide from file. Then they are asking to us which file we need to insert. Then I am selecting here solutions.odp. Then open. Okay. Then delete unused backgrounds is given here. We need that background. That is why I am clicking here. Click on OK. Is it clear, children? Now that background is not here, and all the slides and the matters we have here. Okay, this color let us change to see you because it is white. Okay, do you see now all the slides and the content from that slides also inserted here, children? Now how many slides here? 4, 5, 6, 7 slides. 4 slides already here in this presentation too. After that I inserted 3 slides from the solution also. It has the master slide background, so that didn't come there. You see that here there is no backgrounds. Okay, you can add backgrounds according to your wish. Is it clear, children? Okay. The next activity is that, children, next activity is activity 7.9, slide sorting. Okay, how can you click on slide sorter? From view menu. View menu where view slide sorter. Look here, children, all the slides are here in a manner. Is it clear, children? If you want to change the order of these slides, let us change it. Okay, I am going to arrange this slide here, and look here, this is the first slide now. This is the 7th slide, that is arranged according to this. Let us see, children, the sorting order once more. Do you see now? Okay, if you want this as the second slide, this way you can simply change the portions. Is it clear? Solutions will be the last as the last one. Is it clear now? Like this way you can change simply the position. That is the meaning of sorting. Sorting and ascending or descending order. You know, like this way, in any way you can sort which one we need first, which one we need last. Like this way you can simply do with the slide sorter view. To get the normal view, how you will get a view normal. Is it clear? This way we can work, children. Okay, this is the slide pane, children. Look here. Here you can see the properties window and the slide pane window. Okay, where we can see view slide pane, that is said in your textbook. Slide pane, if you off this, we have no here children. Then view slide pane, we once more click, you can see this we need for arranging our slides and all that, isn't it children? Now we inserted the one more presentation here, and we mingled that. Click here, that is the inserted one children. This is also the inserted one, and this is also the inserted one. Is it clear children? These are the uses of slide sorter and inserting file. Okay, I think all of you understand that children. Then if you have the facility to view that, all of you study well children. This chapter is also over children. You want to look that what are the important points said in your textbook, all of you study well. Okay, bye.